Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this, the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on. The icon will change the color, which indicates the mode is enabled. And if you go to watch face, on the top of the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also tells you that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.